Welcome again. In the world of chemistry, we are discussing how to make chemical formula and their chemical name. In this lecture, we will discuss about the some common examples of compound useful to write chemical equations. Students, these compounds are two types. One is the covalent compound and another are the ionic compounds. Covalent compounds are composed of nonmetals and ionic compounds are composed of metals and nonmetals. So we are first taking non-metallic compounds and also known as covalent compounds. Students, these compounds are commonly used in our chemical reactions. So first we are taking the most common examples of covalent compound is the water. The formula of water is H2O, we know very well, and it is liquid at room temperature. And the chemical name of this water is dihydrogen oxide. If ice is given in our chemical reaction, then we will write down the same formula H2O, but the physical state is solid. If water vapor or steam is given, then we will write down again same formula, but at this time it is gaseous in nature. Next is the carbon dioxide. The formula is CO2, gas. Next is the carbon monoxide. This is the CO. This is a gas at room temperature. Dioxide means 2 oxygen. Mono means 1 oxygen. Next is the sulfur dioxide. Formula is SO2, gas. Next is the sulfur trioxide, means 3 oxygen. SO3, this is gas. Next is the nitrogen dioxide, NO2, it is gas. Next is the ammonia gas. Formula is NH3, it is gas. Student, be careful about the formula of ammonia gas. Most of the time, the student get confused the formula of ammonia gas. So be careful. Next is the glucose. The formula is C6H12O6. It is solid at room temperature. Next is the marsh gas, also known as methane gas or natural gas. It is also known as CNG. CNG means compressed natural gas, and the formula is CH4. Next is the acetic acid. It is commonly known as vinegar, and in IPC it is called ethanoic acid. The formula is CH3COOH. It is liquid at room temperature. Next is the formic acid. It is in IPC it is called methanoic acid, and the formula is HCOOH. It is liquid at room temperature. Next is ethanol. It is the main constituent of wine. Ethanol. Commonly it is known as alcohol. The formula is C2H5OH. It is liquid at room temperature. Next is the methanol. It is poisonous in nature, and the formula is CH3OH. It is liquid at room temperature. Students, these compounds are also known as carbon compound or organic compound. We will discuss these types of compounds and their nomenclature, especially in our chapter number 4, carbon and its compound. At this time, we are taking only those compounds which we commonly use in our chemical reactions. You will write down the name of these compounds and their formula, and let's take some more examples of covalent compounds. Students, let's take some more examples of covalent compounds. This is hydrogen chloride. If hydrogen chloride is written, you will write down HCl, and it is gas, gaseous state. So you put small g here. If there is written hydrochloric acid, then you will write down the same formula, but you will place here aqueous or dilute or concentrate. We will discuss later in the chemical reactions and equation what is the meaning of dilute, aqueous and concentrated. If sulfuric acid is given, you will write down H2SO4. If nitric acid is given, you will write down HNO3, aqueous. Phosphoric acid is given, you will write down H3PO4, aqueous. If carbonic acid is given, H2CO3, aqueous. If nitric oxide, this is nitric oxide, NO, and NO2 is the nitrogen dioxide. So nitric oxide, it is NO, it is gas. This is hydrogen peroxide. It is similar to the water, look like water, but formula is different. H2O2. Formula is H2O2. It is liquid at room temperature. Hydrogen peroxide. This is acetylene gas. In IPC it is known as ethine. The formula is C2H2 and it is gas. Ethylene gas in IPC it is known as ethene. The formula is C2H4. It is gas. Next is the ethane gas. Formula is C2H6. It is also gas. Next is the benzene C6H6. Liquid at room temperature. This is hydrogen sulfide gas. Important. Hydrogen sulfide gas. Formula is H2S. It is important covalent compound. Next is the chloroform. It is used as anesthetic. The formula is CHCl3 and it is liquid at room temperature. Students, again these compounds from 22 to 25 and also 27. These are organic compounds. We will discuss why it is known as ethylene, it is called ethane and it is called ethane. We will discuss nomenclature in carbon and its compound. So students, in this lecture we have seen some common examples of carbon compounds which are usually encountered in our chemical reaction. You rightly learned the formula of these compounds. In the next lecture we will discuss ionic compounds. What are ionic compounds? Mostly in the chemical reaction we will take the examples of ionic compounds. So we will discuss in detail about the ionic compounds, how to write their chemical formula. Till then, bye bye, thank you.